high-pitched scream of a thickness planer is enough to wake the neighbors 3 streets over, but not all machines are built to be noisemakers. If you work in a tight garage or a shared basement, sound levels are everything. That is where the compact blue planer really shines. It is famous for being one of the quietest options on the market. You can actually have a conversation near it without feeling like your ears are ringing. It is light enough to tuck under your arm and move around the shop. This makes it perfect for someone who does not have a permanent dedicated station. You pull it out, run your boards, and hide it away when you're done. Now, contrast that with the heavy yellow beast that most professionals swear by. This machine is a tank. It is not something you want to move once you set it down on your workbench. It is built for raw power and high volume. One of the standout features of the yellow workhorse is the triple blade system. Most portable planers use only 2 blades. Adding that third knife means more cuts per inch of wood. The surface it leaves behind is incredibly smooth. You barely have to sand it after a pass. It also features a dual-speed gearbox. This is a total game changer for fine woodworking. You can flip a switch to slow down the feed rate. This lets the blades chew through the wood with surgical precision. It takes a bit more time, but the finish is professional grade. Then there is the messy issue of dust. Wood chips get everywhere. They clog up your lungs and cover your other tools in a layer of shavings. The yellow model solves this with a powerful internal blower. It does not just wait for a vacuum to suck the chips out. It actively blasts them through the exhaust port. This keeps the internal parts clean and prevents those annoying little dents on your wood caused by stray chips getting caught in the rollers. The blue model is much simpler in its approach. It is reliable and stays accurate for many years. It handles hardwoods and softwoods with ease for the average hobbyist. It does not have the fancy blower or the extra speed settings, but it just works. You get clean, consistent results without the massive footprint or the extreme weight. The choice comes down to what you value more in your daily workflow. Do you need a tool that respects your ears and fits in a small corner? Or do you need a machine that can handle hours of heavy surfacing while leaving a mirror finish? If you're just starting out or working in a residential area, the Quiet Blue machine is a dream. It is dependable and portable. However, if you are building furniture every single day, the extra weight and power of the yellow flagship are worth the investment. It feels like an industrial tool brought into a home setting. It handles the toughest maple and oak without breaking a sweat. Both machines have a legendary reputation for a reason. They solve different problems for different types of builders. Think about your space. Think about your neighbors. Think about how much sanding you actually want to do at the end of the day. One is a surgical scalpel, and the other is a powerful sledgehammer with a fine edge. They both get the job done. You just have to decide if you want the portability of the lightweight blue frame or the sheer, raw capability of the heavy yellow frame. Every workshop has its own needs, and your decision should match the projects you actually build. If you are milling thin stock for small boxes, you might not need the monster. If you are flattening thick slabs for dining tables, you will definitely want that extra muscle. Either way, you are moving into a new level of efficiency. It is a big step for any shop. Make it count.